Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is Panda Express Mushroom Zucchini Copycat recipe, and this is going to be a very delicious recipe and a different flavor that I have never shared in my channel. So let's see how to make this. I will mention all the ingredients used here in the description below so you can later refer to it. So here I've taken 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, and here I've taken chicken breast, which is cut it into bite size, and added 3 tablespoons of corn flour or cornstarch to it. Mix it and add to the pan. Now give it a mix. So here I've taken a medium sized zucchini, cut it into lengthwise like this. Here you can see. Next I'm taking mushroom. This is 1 cup of each, 1 cup of diced mushroom. So here you can see the chicken is nicely cooked, and here you can see the brown on top. So yes, the chicken is finely cooked. So here I've chopped all the veggies. Now we have 1 tablespoon each of garlic cloves and ginger. Add the zucchini and the mushroom. So here I would like to mention that the veggies are super cooked in my recipe. You need not do that. Just keep it cooked for bite size kind of. But I did because my kids don't eat mushroom or zucchini. They're going to put it set aside. So I want them to enjoy it, and so I let the veggies overcooked in this recipe. So here I've added the ginger garlic finely chopped. Next, here you can see the veggies are releasing water. Let it dry up. Now next add the chicken and give it a good mix. Now we're going to add the sauce here. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce here. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Give it a good mix. Next we're going to add 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar here. Give it a good mix. So as you've seen, I have used a less sodium soy sauce. So I felt that there should be a little salt in this recipe, but you can add if you want salt. So next I'm going to add sesame seed here as a garnish, and it's almost done, ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy this with brown rice, white rice. So here I'm adding freshly chopped parsley. You can add chives, and this recipe is complete. Super easy to make, very minimal ingredients. Also they add oyster sauce, which I did not add. If you have oyster sauce, you can add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So this is the recipe that is needed to make this, and it takes the recipe to next level, something different from the normal chicken recipes that I normally make in my channel. So this was very good and we really enjoyed it. And it's done. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I share a lot of recipes in my channel. It's a fusion of Indian, American, Italian and Mexican recipes. And I share a lot of air fryer recipes too. So see you again in my new video. Till then, bye bye and take care.